Are you looking for the best Prime Day deals without wasting hours comparing products? In this video, we've rounded up some of the top budget-friendly picks that deliver impressive value for the money. Stick around until the end, because there's something here for every budget, and all the updated links can be found in the description below. Kicking off the list at number 8, we have the Dyson Gen 5 Detect, a cordless vacuum designed for people who want powerful cleaning without dragging a bulky machine from room to room. One of the things that makes it stand out is how effortlessly it handles everything from fine dust on hard floors to pet hair buried deep in carpets. The built-in laser helps reveal particles that are usually invisible, which can be surprisingly satisfying if you like knowing your floors are actually clean and not just looking clean. It also converts quickly into a handheld unit, making it useful for stairs, furniture, cars, and tight corners. Battery life is solid for everyday cleaning sessions, and the advanced filtration system helps capture allergens instead of sending them back into the air. It is definitely a premium-priced option, but the performance and convenience justify its place on this list for shoppers looking to invest in a high-end cleaning upgrade during Prime Day. Coming in at number 7, we have the Tagri Bluetooth earbuds, a surprisingly affordable option that delivers a lot more than you might expect for the price. These are ideal for anyone who wants reliable everyday earbuds for commuting, workouts, work calls, or simply enjoying music without spending a fortune. One feature users really appreciate is the charging case with its built-in battery display, so you always know exactly how much power is left instead of guessing. The lightweight design makes them comfortable enough for long listening sessions, while the secure fit helps keep them in place during exercise. They also offer water resistance, which adds peace of mind for gym sessions or unexpected rain. Sound quality is well balanced for casual listening, with clear vocals and solid bass that make podcasts, playlists, and videos more enjoyable. They may not compete with premium flagship earbuds, but considering their combination of convenience, battery life, and value, they earn their spot as one of the smartest budget-friendly Prime Day picks. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. At number 6, we have the Drio Oscillating Pedestal Fan, a product that proves you do not need to spend a fortune on air conditioning to stay comfortable during the hottest months of the year. What makes this fan stand out is its ability to move a surprisingly strong stream of air throughout an entire room rather than just cooling the area directly in front of it. That means whether you're working from home, sleeping, watching TV, or cooking, the airflow feels more consistent and natural. The adjustable height and multiple speed settings make it easy to tailor the experience to different spaces, while the remote control adds a level of convenience you quickly get used to. Another nice touch is its quiet operation, making it suitable for bedrooms and offices where constant fan noise can become distracting. It may not replace a dedicated cooling system in extreme heat, but for improving comfort while keeping energy costs under control, it's an excellent value pick and a very practical Prime Day deal. Halfway through the ranking, we have something a little different, the Get Hope Massage Chair. This is the kind of Prime Day deal that immediately grabs attention because it brings a luxury experience into your home without the recurring cost of spa visits or professional massage sessions. If you spend long hours sitting at a desk, deal with muscle tension after workouts, or simply enjoy winding down at the end of a busy day, this chair can make a noticeable difference in your daily routine. Features like the full-body massage system, zero-gravity reclining position, heating functions, and foot massage work together to create a much more immersive relaxation experience than a basic massage cushion or recliner. The built-in controls and connectivity options also make it easy to customize sessions to your preferences. Of course, it requires a significant investment and takes up space, so it is not for everyone. But for people looking to turn part of their home into a personal relaxation zone, it delivers a level of comfort that few products can match, which is why it comfortably earns the number 5 spot on this list. Taking the number 4 spot, we have the Obito X3 window cleaning robot, a gadget that feels especially useful once you realize how much time and effort it can save. Cleaning large windows, glass doors, mirrors, or hard-to-reach surfaces is one of those household tasks that most people put off for as long as possible, and that is exactly where this device shines. Instead of balancing on ladders or spending an entire afternoon wiping streaks by hand, you simply attach the robot to the glass and let it do the work. Its intelligent navigation system helps it move methodically across the surface, while the cleaning pads remove dust, fingerprints, and everyday grime with minimal effort from you. It's particularly appealing for homes with lots of glass or apartments with difficult exterior windows. Naturally, it won't completely replace occasional deep cleaning, but for regular maintenance, it can dramatically reduce the hassle. For anyone looking to automate one of the most annoying chores around the house, this is a clever and surprisingly practical Prime Day deal that deserves its place in the top half of the ranking. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. In third place, we have the Marshall Acton 3, a speaker that manages to combine eye-catching design with the kind of sound quality that makes you want to keep listening long after you plan to. Even before you press play, it adds a premium touch to a desk, shelf, or living room thanks to its iconic amplifier-inspired look. But the real reason people buy it is the sound. Music feels rich, detailed, and surprisingly room-filling for a speaker of this size. With clear vocals, strong bass, and enough balance to handle everything from podcasts and jazz to rock and electronic playlists, the physical controls on top are another feature many users appreciate because they make quick adjustments feel simple and satisfying. It is not the most portable option since it is designed to stay in one place, but that focus on home listening is exactly what allows it to deliver such an impressive audio experience. If you care about both sound quality and style, the Acton 3 is one of the most appealing Prime Day upgrades available this year, which is why it earns a well-deserved spot in the top 3. Just missing the top 2 spots. At number 2, we have the Ninja Nutri Blender, a simple product that can end up changing daily habits more than many expensive gadgets. If you've ever skipped breakfast because you were short on time or wanted to eat healthier without adding extra effort to your routine, this is exactly the kind of appliance that makes those goals easier to stick with. Its powerful motor is designed to crush ice, frozen fruit, and tougher ingredients in seconds, helping create smooth shakes, protein drinks, and smoothies without the chunky texture that cheaper blenders often leave behind. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. You blend directly in the included cup, attach the lid, and take it with you, which means fewer dishes and less cleanup afterward. Whether you're preparing a post-workout shake, a quick breakfast before work, or an afternoon energy boost, it fits naturally into a busy lifestyle. It doesn't have the large capacity of a full-size blender, but for speed, simplicity, and everyday usefulness, it's hard to beat. That's why it earns the number 2 position and remains one of the smartest value-focused Prime Day purchases on this list. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the Ansell AD310 diagnostic scanner, and while it may not look as exciting as some of the other products on this list, it has the potential to save you more money than almost any of them. For many drivers, seeing a check engine light appear instantly creates stress because it usually means a trip to the mechanic just to find out what is wrong. With this compact scanner, you can plug it into your vehicle in seconds and get a clear idea of what the issue might be before paying for a diagnostic service. That simple capability can help you avoid unnecessary repairs, make more informed decisions, and even catch small problems before they become expensive ones. The device is easy to use, works with a wide range of vehicles, and doesn't require subscriptions or complicated setup processes. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone who simply wants more control over vehicle maintenance, it delivers incredible value for the price. That's what makes the Ansell AD310 our number 1 Prime Day pick. It's affordable, practical, easy to use, and capable of paying for itself the very first time you need it.